Hello, my name is Rohan Shivkumar. I'm an architect, urban designer, and a filmmaker. I teach at the Kamala Raheja Vidyanidhi Institute for Architecture in Mumbai, where I'm the dean of the bachelor's course. I was delighted to come to KL Tiwari School of Architecture today to really talk about one of the films that I was involved in, a film called Lovely Villa, Architecture's Autobiography. And this was a film where I was, through my own personal experience, thinking about the ways that architecture affects memory, people's lives, and really think about a particular time in India's history when the state was involved in the creation of opportunities for middle class and lower middle class communities to make a home in the city. Every single one of this was housing projects or house projects done by very powerful people. Kings and emperors of our country were deciding as to how we are supposed to live. And we realized that the voice of the people themselves was completely unheard. So an important house that is embedded across the whole film is the voice and the people who were supposed to be modernized. I think the Lovely Villa as part of the LIC colony really represents an important intervention in the way that the state imagined housing. It is unfortunate that these models of the provision of housing as well as the architecture itself, designed by the architect Charles Correa, is not very well known by the architectural community. So it was really interesting to have a conversation with students currently in their fourth year, thinking about ways in which they can develop strategies to create affordable housing in the city, and hopefully the example of LIC colony can provide them with some clues that can help them in their design strategies.
Yeah, myself Shoaib Ahmed Chaudhary. I am an architecture student studying in Srimati KL Tiwari College of Architecture. I am in fourth year, like in semester 7. So in this particular semester, we have got our project regarding housing or mass housing, like more of urban planning. So it has been privileged to Rohan Shivkumar sir. He showed us the film very much sentiment to his personal life, and which help in correlating with the sentiments of the people living in that particular society to making a project out of it, like for future. And it was really helpful for us in accordance with the people or with the society. And thank you Rohan Shivkumar sir for this amazing lecture.